Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft. Folks, I've got a lovely 2005 Bonanza A36 to tell you about. She has an interesting history. She is a former Israeli Air Force executive transport airplane. Lots to love here, great maintenance. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. Teledyne Continental IO550 300 horsepower engine, 1174 on the engine since major overhaul, and about 283 since it was inspected and repaired as needed. So here's something of interest. Sharp looking airplane, and the colors, these are the official colors of the Israeli Air Force. Now the wing Spar AD, it does not apply to this particular Bonanza. The exterior of this A36 is Matterhorn white on the top with gray bottom and gray stripes in good condition. 3,330 hours total time on the airframe since new. So of course we have the large double cargo doors we love about the A36, and you know the seating is versatile. We can change it around. Right now it's set up in the executive club seating configuration. We can move them around so all of our passengers face forward. We can even remove a seat if we need to and don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, I can remove the seat, we're in business. So come on in, your passengers are gonna love it. The interior is in excellent condition. Beautiful gray leather seats, gray carpet. Look at the beautiful side panels, the headliner, all in excellent condition. We do have a 6-place intercom system and shoulder harnesses for everyone, plus factory air conditioning. So let's check out the flight deck. We have a Garmin 530 GPS Navcom, non-WAS. Your number 2 is a Garmin 430 GPS Navcom, non-WAS. We have a King KT 76C transponder. Our storm scope is a BFG Weather 500 storm scope. We have a King DME with Nav 1 and 2 and DME hold. Your HSI is a King slaved HSI system. Your Autopilot is a King KFC 225 Autopilot with altitude Preselect, vertical select, yaw damp, GPSS steering, and more. We also have ADS-B out on board. Other features you will appreciate: the 3-blade prop only has 793 hours since prop overhaul. You will enjoy a standby vacuum system, factory-tuned fuel injectors, dual push-to-talk buttons, factory air conditioning, co-pilot braking system, 6-place intercom system, and more. So folks, this 2005 A36, she's looking for a new home. Great maintenance, good paint, the interior is gorgeous. Now I want you to know the Bonanza skull, it is included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and feel comfortable in your new to you A36. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. I'm May K. Beeler. We would love to give you a test drive, so come on out. Thanks so much everyone for watching.